I thought I will ask this question to any parent if I'll talk with talk with them. So that's okay. So this is our first session. So I would like to know about you. So can you just give me a short introduction?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for connecting me. This is Durga from Tamil Nadu. If I talk about my education concern, I have completed my graduation. Then I got married. I blessed with one child. Right now, I am a homemaker as well as YouTuber, simultaneously learning this language. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay. So are you uploading content regarding English only on your channel?
Not only for English conversation. Yes, I am uploading related to English everything. My content is
Okay.
related to English.
Okay, that's great. So when did you start it actually?
I started my YouTube journey last December on December.
Okay, this December on.
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice. So
yeah. May I know yourself, ma'am? I would like to know about yourself. So may I know yourself?
yeah, of course. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering in computer science and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and simultaneously I'm also running my YouTube. That's all about me.
That's nice. That's great. Great to heard about that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so I was just reading one word, sharenting. Have you heard about this?
Parenting,
Yes.
surrendering in the sense maybe we surrendered one like any commitment like this. Is it
No,
in?
no, no.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Could you please elaborate that?
Yes, yes. Sharenting. It's a combination of two words, sharing plus parenting. So,
Oh,
okay. So nowadays, what parents are doing, they are uploading the content of their child on social media over the internet, and actually they are doing it for a good purpose. For example, you are uploading your child content on social media because you want to create a memory for that, so that you can remember after some time also, right? So
right.
like what's your opinion, we should do like we should upload about children's every activities on social media or not, being a parent?
I guess, according to me, I am a parent. We don't want to show everything on social media, so we have an option. So we can upload on YouTube privacy
Hmm.
private part. So we don't want to publish. I can say.
Okay, but you must have seen that so many parents are doing this. They are uploading each and every activities of their child on social media. So is it good or not?
uh, it's good. Some things is good because most of the people who is the very stressful people watch this kind of the video. They overcome their stress, and then they would like to laugh. So our child make only for fun of us, another person also. So our child make fun of other person, so that is great. But most in sometimes they how to say this, sometimes it's not good, everything is not good, right?
I got one example actually. For example, you are sending your children to school, and you are just uploading the content that uh, like my children is going to school and like this, and you are doing everything live. Yes, this time my children goes to school. This time my children take breakfast
Come
like
back
this.
to my home. But who is watching good way, who is watching a bad way, we don't know, because we published that some of the people watching casually, some of the people watching specifically, so they want to any motivation, so any motively. So so we upload everything in a particular everything in our child at day-to-day life, so they would like to kidnap,
Mhm.
maybe. It's whether I don't know whether it's sure or not. So definitely it will happen.
Yes, yes. For example, you are posting everything. So we can't predict that some people are good or not. For
Mm.
example, some people are just following you like yes, this time your children go to school like this. So if anyone who, what can I say, they have the track of every activity of your child, so they can harm your children also, right?
Right.
Because when they are alone, and when they will find this kind of opportunity, so they can harm your children also, right?
Right.
And I think we shouldn't upload every personal details also, like your like birthday, like the school name and
Mm.
everything. We should not upload. Yeah, so in some cases it is good. I thought I will ask this question to any parent if I'll talk with talk with them, so that's why.
Okay. Okay. Yes, according to me, we don't want to upload everything, not only child life, in our life also. We don't want to update everything in day-to-day life. And I am wake up in this time, I am doing this kind of the work, I am doing like this. So we don't want to that.
Yes, correct. Uh, because some of the details are very personal for us, and we really don't know who are watching us, and they want to take the do the misuse of that data. So we should be careful about this thing. And
Right.
it all depends on us how we are using this kind of technologies, because now everything is socialized and everything is digital. People are just watching other people are doing. For example, if
Mm.
you will see other people, they are just uploading the good content, like they are roaming here and there, they are visiting
Mhm.
different places, so you will also want to do this thing.
Right. Yes, yes, I have a query. Like, how to overcome suddenly? Okay, for example, I upload I upload something in my personal. Okay, something in my personal, like my baby related to my baby, like thing. So, how to overcome that issue? Because you are younger than me, I think. So,
Mhm.
how to handle this kind of the uh, problem in your point of view?
Like if you want to upload the content of your children, you are asking about this.
Yes, yes. If I unfortunately, okay, unfortunately, I upload something in my related to my baby, okay, related to
Mhm.
my baby, then I will face some issue. This kind of the I related to that video, okay, related to that video. How
Mhm.
to overcome? How will I overcome?
Okay, so there are some things, but still we are not control all the things, because you must have heard about the artificial technology and all. So they
Right.
are just taking the picture of anyone. They are misusing also. So we can't control them, because we have uploaded that, and that are public. Publicly, you uploaded this thing, so they can misuse, and we can't control them. But you can control yourself in some way. For example, if you are uploading your child content, so always make sure that you are not uploading their personal details, like their school name, their full name, and uh, like their date of birth, like this. So we shouldn't upload this kind of things, because
Mm.
after they will grown up, so their data will be public, so everyone can misuse that.
Right.
And in some cases, if you want to create only memory for that, then you can make it private also.
Mm.
In every application, we have this kind of facility, like we can make it private if you want.
Mm.
Otherwise, it ups to you how you use it.
Right.
Even in some cases, it happens with me also. Like I love to post videos and photos on social media, but
Mm.
in some way, I also feel scare, scare also. Like I should do or not, because
Mm.
in this era, everything is like anyone can misuse your data.
Yes. Right. I agree your point because uh, most of the personal things it's so crucial. So we can avoid those problems.
Hmm. So, have you ever seen this kind of news or anything that it happened like this in your surrounding, like this?
Not related to like social media, but
Mm-hmm.
apart from that social media, I heard lots of newses like sorry for that. Recently in Pondicherry, so 9 years girl. So it's so crucial. How to say this? That bad news. That is the bad news. 9 years girl child. So
Mm-hmm.
9 people abuse that child. So so I couldn't say that is so touchable, that news.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. And yeah, it is happening a lot in everywhere, not in a single state. I think in India, if I'll talk about India.
Mm, yes.
So these kind of cases are happening a lot, and I think government also should do like do something on this topic,
Yes.
like women's safety also.
Yeah.
Yes, still we have heard so many news. Still, I have heard one news: Spanish girl. Uh, she was visiting all around world. Like she was
Oh,
visiting different countries.
okay.
Uh, Okay, and she went to one state, Jharkhand, I guess. I forgot, I think. Not sure. And with her husband also. But
Oh.
yeah, but some other people, the male person, they robbed
Mm,
them and they attacked on them and they raped with the girl. So it happened in India. So see, this news has viral like this that women
mm,
was explaining each and everything that happened with her. So she was
mm.
just telling that India is not a bad country, but it happened with me like this. So it is shameful for us, no? That she
Yes,
came here
yes.
in India and it happened with her. So it is
Mm,
kind of shameful moment for us also. Like in our
yeah.
country, it happened.
Mm, yes.
So I
But in other, we take for example any other country, they put proper rules, and then they put proper rules. Then her punishment, that punishment also so severe.
hmm,
That
yes.
is the one. That is one of the reason. Anyone do this kind of the mistake, they would like to scare.
Hmm, yes.
If I, for example, if I do this kind of the mistake, definitely the government should take action seriously. That's why I am little bit scared, right?
Hmm.
So that the government should take action proper manner. Definitely, yeah, the government take action proper manner, proper rules, and definitely every this kind of the person, this kind of the male person, definitely they would like to scared.
Yes, yes, I agree. Because I think government is not taking the strict action on this kind of incident, na? And they are taking a long time for this. So people are just forgetting the things and they are not really scared of this thing.
Yeah.
If I'll talk about my state, so I can't go alone in the night time.
Mm,
Like that, I will afraid of these things.
mm,
Like no, anyone can harm me. So
mm.
I think it shouldn't happen. Like we are also person, so we have all the kind of responsibility. We have to go office, we have to go for any kind of work related stuff, and I have to go out. But still I'm scaring to go alone because there is no safety here, no women
Yes,
safety. So
yes.
I think
Not only in your state, all over India, I can say all over India, uh, being a woman, being a child, woman child, and then being a girl child, being a like a more than 40, more than 50, we in the night time, we shouldn't go to outside because of the scanners. If they maybe or may not be, whether we don't know, like most of the people they would like to approach and then abuse this kind of the issues we heard again and again and again in our country. That is why we would like to heard about scared about whenever we step out of the house in the night time.
Okay, so I think people are still not understanding these things, and especially the boys and male person. They should understand that they have also sister and mother. So why they are doing this such kind of bad activities with other person's daughter and girl, right? But still, people are not understanding these things, and these cases are happening a lot and increasing a lot in India. So I think it's everyone's responsibilities. No? Only government can't do anything.
Right.
We should
I
take the Yeah, we should also take this kind of responsibilities, whether you are male person or female.
Right, right. Because if you have a baby in your future, okay, if you have a boy baby, if I have a boy baby, definitely we will teach them. this is the good way, this is the bad way. You do good way, you will do good way, right? You have hormone changes, you have everything. So like everything in in our hand, mother hand, and father in parents hand. So
Yes.
we teach them proper manner, and then uh, suddenly we don't beat them. We should speak them first.
Hmm. Yes,
We should
yes.
speak them calm way, and then proper manner. Then what is that mistake? So how to clarify that mistake, which is uh, what is the benefit of the mistake, what is the disadvantage of advantages of this mistake. So we explain everything step by step. Definitely the child can understand.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. So it's our responsibility. We should take our, uh, we should give this kind of lesson to our children also, so that they can understand. And I think everyone is doing this thing, but still some people are very, very, what can I say, very bad. I think they don't even understand this thing. So I think for that kind of person, government should take the strict action on that. Then only
Right.
other people will scare while watching these things. And
Right.
in India, everyone know that there is no strict law regarding these things. Still, people are just doing this kind of crimes because they already know that nothing is gonna happen.
Yeah. So every like Delhi news, and then another one, I think Andhra news also. In our India, often we can heard this kind of the news again and again, very short period of time,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
because of they don't have a scanner. They, okay, what government should take action. So that maybe they thought.
First thing that they should do something for women's safety if they are if women are going out. So some in some places we can use the police force and all.
Mm,
Uh, these things we can do. And if some person is doing some small bad activities also, so they should get punishment for that. Not big punishment, but they should get at least punishment so that they will realize this thing that after that I don't have to do any bad activities like this. So this
mm.
thing government can do, and ultimately it's our responsibilities also that we have to take care.
Yes, yeah, and we should
And maybe
take
they
our
have,
health.
maybe government have the different ideas also to work on this thing.
May not be. We don't know what is they what is they take action. We don't know proper manner. So yes, because we are an audience. So we don't know what is sincerely they did. Right. We are an audience. We are watching up. We are watching out of the situation.
Hmm. Can wrap
Yeah.
up. And if I'll get the chance, we will connect very soon again.
Yeah. I will catch you.
Okay, thank you and have a great day.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was nice conversation with you. It is a nice topic also. Thank you so much for giving me precious time as well as great topic. So we discussed about being a mother, being a woman, how to safe prepare the safety nurse, everything. Thank you so much
Mm.
for that.
Yes, yes. I also enjoyed talking with you on this topic.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.